Hello, my name is Quint McKee with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today I want to do a quick walk around on a brand new 2020 Hino 268 that's paired with a 26-foot DuraPlate drive van from Supreme, a Wabash Final Mile product. Now, some of you may not be very familiar with the Hino brand, but it's actually the commercial vehicle for Toyota. So that same great durability and reliability you get with all the Toyota products goes in the Hino brand as well. Now, this particular model will be powered by a J08 Hino engine and married to a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission, a proven award-winning combination in the Class 6 and 7 markets. It's so proven, in fact, it's going to be backed by a 5-year, 250,000-mile engine warranty, as well as a 5-year unlimited mile transmission warranty. That's unheard of in the Class 6 and Class 7 ranges. It'll also be able to bump up that after-treatment warranty to a 5-year 250, so you can protect your initial investment to up to 5 years going down the road. It just gives you a little bit more safe, sound buying power and buying decision there. What's also really nice about this truck is its ability to be fully connected to you at all times. Through a platform called Hino Insight, you can not only track and trace this truck, but you can also self-diagnose it going down the road. If a problem were to occur going down the road, it'll read out in plain English exactly what's going on with the truck, so you can make an educated decision on your fleet to make you not only safe going down the road, but also efficient. Now, the first thing you're going to notice about this truck is its sleek design. Now, this sleek design is not just there for aesthetics. It actually has some really nice purposes. One of which being its sleek design is going to give you a lot better fuel mileage going down the road, or fuel economy, and the other Class 6, 7 offerings due to its aerodynamics. It'll also have a really nice visibility rating at the front. It's going to boast a lot better of a rating than other Class 6 and 7 models in the industry, which is going to be really important in your cul-de-sacs, your tight turning radius situations like your warehouses or parking lots. Now, again, it is going to be a Hino 268, which is going to give you a 25,950 GVW rating, which is just below CDL, while still giving you plenty of payload capacity to get your product and people from point A to point B. Now, with it being a Toyota product, they have taken a really good design inside to be nice and comfortable for passengers as well as drivers. So we'll go ahead and take a look inside. If the cameraman take a really good look inside, I'll go around the other. And using these grab handles here, getting in and out of this truck is extremely easy. Now, it will open it up to a 2-man bench and a 1-man captain seat. So it's going to be a 3-person seating. This one-man captain seat will be air suspended, so it'll be a nice, comfortable drive going down the road for your driver. Power locks, power windows, as well as power mirrors on this particular model will come standard. That's a really nice feature to have if you have multiple drivers in and out of this truck, so it can adjust its sight lines from inside the cab and not have to manually do it outside. AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth is standard, as well as Corsair AC. And again, it is an automatic transmission, so it's a turnkey, put it in drive and go operation. A really nice multi-information dash display here in the cluster will give your driver some critical data points to keep them safely going down the road, while also keeping his eyes to the front. And again, that really nice visibility rating out the front is going to be paramount in, again, your tight turning radius situations. Now, I do want to go ahead and take a look at the back here. Now, if the cameraman take a really good look at the side frame here, I want to point out the fact that it is clean side frame. This is going to give you the versatility to put whatever kind of toolboxes, roll cages, or any other accessories you want to on the side, and we can mount those here at our body shop as your one-stop shop for all of your truck needs. Now, it is going to be a spring suspension and a juice brake combination. It's one of your more basic combinations out there on the road, but still giving you a nice, comfortable ride as you take your product and people from point A to point B. Now, I do want to point out that this is a 26-foot dry van from Supreme, which is a Wabash Final Mile product. Now, this particular series is going to replace your traditional aluminum as well as your FRP. This is going to be the brand new DuraPlate Body skin. You may actually be really familiar with this in the over-the-road trailers from Wabash. They've taken a lot of that technology and put that into their dry van series or their Final Mile series. Now, what this is going to give you is a lighter weight design than your standard FRP, while still giving you 4 to 5% or 4 to 5 times more puncture resistant than your standard aluminum. Now what that means to you is when your drivers do hit a tree branch or scrape it around maybe an awning or what have you, it's going to be much more puncture resistant to give you much more longevity going down the road, and it won't fade to decals. Now I point that out because a lot of people just see a 26-foot white box going down the road. But here in Industrial Power, we actually see the opportunity to turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars by adding either a simple decal system or a full customizable wrap. What it's going to do is allow this truck to be a rolling billboard for your company and will only help to generate more and more cash flow into your business. Now the back end of this truck is going to be extremely unique in its pull-out ramp and lift gate combination. It's going to be a super nice all aluminum pull-out lift gate with cart stops. That's going to give you 3,300 pounds worth of capacity. That's plenty of payload capacity to get your pallets and your product from the ground and safely into the back of the truck. In the situations where a pull-out ramp will be a little bit more easy to use, we do have that combination, which is super unique, and not very many bodies will actually carry both of those at the same time. Now again, it is going to be a 26-foot box. It's going to be 103 by 102, and it's going to be a much more true 102 with that DuraPlate design, because it not only is on the outside for puncture resistance, but it's also on the inside, and it's going to replace the more commonly known Z-post slat/plywood line combinations. You'll also have 2 rows of V-track for cargo holds, as well as a protective scuff board all the way around this truck to prevent any kind of mishaps when loading and unloading your material. Hardwood flooring, of course, is going to be standard, as well as your 2 dome lights in your low light situations. You can turn those on and they are LED illuminated. I think we've done a really good job. Take a look around this truck. If you have any specific questions, go to our website, put an inquiry on one of our trucks. One of our salespeople will contact you directly. Go to our LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook pages. Give us a follow on all 3. We're extremely active. And of course, always go to our website at iptruck.com as we continually to roll out new inventory and update our stock daily. I appreciate taking some time to look at the vehicle. Have a great day.